Now we go to the table of the content. Firstly, we're going to talk about introduction as usual, and then the objective of the study, background of CIMB Bank, concept of first car financing, the eligibility for first car financing, benefit of first car financing by CIMB, and then difference first car financing between CIMB and other bank, and lastly, conclusion. Are you ready to take the wheel and drive off in your very first car? Securing the right financing option is crucial to make your dream car a reality. Banking is the field that deals with receiving, securing, and lending money. People who have extra cash typically don't care about with them to reduce the chance of losing it to theft or other crimes. For the introduction, CIMB, a leading banking institution, offers a range of first-car financing solutions tailored to meet your needs and preferences. In this study, we will look at CIMB initial automobile financing alternative and emphasize the advantages and service they provide. Whether you are a first-time vehicle buyer or looking for a hassle-free financing option, CIMB Bank is ready to assist you. So let's look at CIMB's options and see how they might be automobile ownership easier and more inexpensive. Moreover, this study attempts to illustrate the beginning of CIMB Bank and the concept of first car financing, including the benefits and eligibility. Subsequent to that, the second aim is to compare the initial automobile financing offered by CIMB Bank and another bank. For the objective for this study is basically this research objective aims to understand the first car financing. Firstly, should be familiar with the idea of Akad Al-Ijarah Thumma Al-Bay or ITAB from the viewpoint of Islamic law. And then to understand eligibility for the first car financing contract. And last, to evaluate the first car financing contract by CIMB Bank with other banks. Now we go to the background of CIMB Bank. One of Asia's largest bank is Commerce International Merchants Banker or CIMB. The bank provides a wide range of services including insurance, assets management, investment banking, commercial banking, and consumer banking. After being founded in 1924 as the United Asian Bank, CIMB Bank has subsequently expanded through merger and acquisition to take a leading position in the local banking sector. When Bumi Putra Commerce Bank Berhad, BCB, and Commerce International Merchant Bankers CIMB merged in 2006, it witnessed an important change. As a result of this merge, the CIMB Group was established with CIMB Bank serving as its main subsidiary. And then CIMB Bank currently conducts business in a number of nations such as Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, Singapore, Cambodia, and also Vietnam. The bank has established itself as a market-leading digital bank by utilizing technology to provide cutting-edge and practical banking products. Customers have access to a variety of services including internet banking, mobile banking, and digital e-wallet through CIMB Bank's digital banking platform. Overall, CIMB Bank's background showcases its evolution from a local bank to a regional financial powerhouse, focusing on delivering customer-centric solutions and driving digital transformation in the banking industry. The mission of CIMB Bank is to increase value for all of its stakeholders by offering cutting-edge financial solutions and outstanding customer service. And then the vision for CIMB is to be the chosen bank for its clients, staff, and investors. It wants to be known for its superior customer service, cutting-edge products, and advanced digital banking capabilities. CIMB Bank aims to establish long-term connection with its clients and ensure their financial security. Its objective is to offer innovative financial solutions and great client experience.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Afifah Afika binti Muhammad Zalani and my matric number is 2022626772. So I will present the concept of first car financing. First car financing is a car loan that is taken out by a person for the express purpose of purchasing a vehicle. Okay, by agreeing to the terms of this loan and taking it out, the person has committed themselves to a formal, legally binding agreement under which the borrower, the person purchasing the automobile, is obligated to repay the principal amount of the loan plus interest to the lender, such as banks, financial agents, and etc. Okay. This include the interest rate, the down payment, the margin of finance, the loan period, the installment, and the guarantor. Next is eligibility for first car financing. First, the individual must have minimum age of 18 years old to 30 years old. Second, the individual must have minimum monthly gross income of 1,500. The qualification, minimum diploma or equivalence qualification or above, and the individual have fixed salaries earner, and last have an acceptable guarantor if required based on the applicant's credit assessment.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Dr. Amira and very good morning. And maybe Dr. Amira watched our presentation in the night. So before I will explain about my part, I will introduce first myself. My name is Nur Syafika binti Mat Syahbudin and my matric number is 20224576N14. So I will continue with the slide, which is the benefit of first car financing by CIMB. Number one is settle debt payment before maturity date. So what this is mean? This is mean when the customer pay their debts early before the maturity date state at the contract. So the customer will be entitled to rebate, which is a refund of the term charge for the unused period. So according to the Cambridge Dictionary, rebate is a sum of money refunded by the borrower by the bank for completely settle the loan ahead of a schedule. So what does this mean? Di sini bermaksud bahawa jika customer pelanggan yang menggunakan first financing produk ini, first financing car ini, mereka akan mendapat rebate jika mereka bayar awal mengikut unused period. So kita boleh lihat di bawah, we can see the below from the point. Formula for rebate is rebate equals to N kurungan N tambah 1 kurungan divided by N kurungan N tambah 1 and kali dengan TAC. So charge, TAC is a term charge. The small n is represent for a remaining loan tenure period. Meanwhile the N, the big N is the original loan tenure period. So higher purchase at the variable rate is unpaid amount plus the charge period accumulated and calculate until the next deadline for payment equal the total settlement. Benefit number 2 that given by the CIMB for their customer if their customer use this product. The number 2 is a high margin of financing. So what is margin? Margin is amount of money or percentage of the vehicle price that you must pay using your money. So this is a bit different from the margin given from the margin financing because margin financing is where the sum of money will be given from the bank, so the customer do not need to pay price of the car in a big amount from their pocket. So dekat sini bermaksud margin ni adalah sejumlah wang atau percentage yang mereka perlu bayar kepada car dealer untuk membeli untuk membeli kereta tersebut dengan duit poket sendiri. Tapi dengan bantuan margin financing ini dapat maksud saya pelanggan dapat duit daripada bank untuk membayarnya tanpa berfikir tanpa menggunakan duit yang banyak daripada poket dia sendiri. So the bank will provide them with some money to help them to buy the car with the margin that have stayed in the contract, or maybe the terms for this product. So what the benefit margin financing that offered by the CIMB Bank? So actually CIMB Bank offer very high margin financing to the customer who use this product, which is a first car financing. They offer the margin financing rate of 19% and above for their customer. So this is a very beneficial for the customer who are in the tight money situation but want to buy a dream car. The last benefit that offered by CIMB Bank Berhad for the customer who use their product, which is first financing car, is available in conventional and Islamic finance. As we know, in Malaysia, the total or accumulated amount of the Muslim Malaysian is more than a non-Muslim Malaysian. So this make many customers, regardless of religion and standard of living, able to use this product with the pleasure without any doubts. As we know also that the Muslim people actually cannot involve in prohibited activities like riba, gharar and maisir. So through this Sharia compliant loan, it make it easier for Muslim to own property more easily and fairly. So actually this is not for the Muslim only. This is not only give a benefit for the Muslim, but the non-Muslim people can use this product based on the Sharia compliant financing, because Sharia financing is more transparent, fair and conducive than the conventional. So this make the Muslim community and the non-Muslim community can be able to live an easier and more comfortable life with the existence of a loan contract based on Islamic Sharia.
Okay, next is different first car financing that offer by CIMB Bank and others bank. First, CIMB offer attractive interest rates from 9% per annum, and other banks have same rates or below than 9% per annum. Second, CIMB offer any amount up to 70% of the car's price, and other banks offer lower than 60% of the car price. Okay, next is CIMB offer tenure up to 60 months, but mostly other banks in Malaysia have same tenure that is 60 months, but certain banks have offered lower than 60 months. Okay, lastly, CIMB approval is in 3 working days for customer earning fixed salary, and other banks, mostly certain banks offer approval more than 3 days for customer earning fixed salaries.
We have arrived for our last part in our presentation. So I will conclude all the information that we have in this presentation. I will end it with the conclusion. So what I can conclude is CIMB Group Holding Berhad is one of the famous bank in Malaysia, and this bank has a wide network of retail branches with 1,080 branches throughout the region. So this make the CIMB Bank able to further strengthen their business and spread their products further. So actually in this paper we are discussed about one of the brilliant product that created by the CIMB holding Berhad, which is first car financing. So first car financing is like is actually a loan contract for customer who want a dream car but have a few problem finance, like they don't have enough money to pay to the car dealer to buy their dream car. So through the research that has been done, actually this product give many benefit for their customer who use this product. So the first one is the rebate return to customer who pay early before the maturity date. Second is a high loan margin rate of 19% and above, which is the amount that bank will give to the customer will be expended like 90% of from the amount that need to pay. And the third is offered by CIB Bank, actually a very friendly regardless about their religion or race, because this product actually have a two type contract, which the first one is the conventional and the second one is the Sharia Islamic financing. So what we can see through our research is this product is totally different from other banks that contract like loan, because it has a uniqueness and identity. So in conclusion, the first financing issue by CIMB Bank is actually a very thoughtful idea and a creative product innovation, because it can help various levels of society regardless of their race and religion and the standard of living, especially of their standard of living. Finally, the standard of living of the community can be also upgraded and more comfortable because they successfully on a vehicle that help them in their daily life. I think that's all from our group. Thank you to Dr. Amira because listening our presentation into the end. Thank you.